Welcome to Platinum Hotel and Convention Hall, Balikpapan. I'm Vinka and would like to take you through our health and safety preparation. Please follow me. Once you arrive, your temperature will be checked by the security. You will pass the sterilization chamber before entering the hotel area. While checking in, we provide you liquid sanitizer. We have sanitized pen to use the paperwork. Thank you. Your key is sanitized before handed out to you. We are doing everything possible to ensure you have a safe and healthy stay with us. And touch points like door handles, elevators, and elevator buttons are sanitized at regular. Your room is sanitized with immense attention to detail. All fixtures are truly disinfectant. In Platinum Suite Room, we have automatic toilet seat that we always clean every day. Your room is made every day unless you request otherwise, and there is no turn down to service it. While you stay with us, we give in dining room service because we follow contactless delivery for the food. It's very safe to dine at our restaurant if you prefer to do so, because we provide hand sanitizer in barium lounge and canteen restaurant. The tables and chairs have been sanitized after every use. All our staff also undergo a sanitizing routine when they arrive. Temperature check, passing the sterilization chamber, and washing their hands. In this current situation, we understand that our guest safety and well-being are utmost important to us. If you use a hotel car, rest assured that your car has been truly sanitized before your use. Our driver is always wearing gloves and masks. We are open with full excitement, always keep a safety and healthy guidelines. Looking forward to welcome you back.